What's up guys, Riggs Motorsports here with Dad. There's our youngest brother, Heath, back there. He's never been on the channel. We're on our way to Right-Hand Drive Specialists here in Kent, Washington. They're having a little open house car show. Food trucks, that type of thing. Lots of cool cars. I'm assuming lots of right-hand drive cars as well of theirs. And we're just gonna get some food and hang out, see what's going on. We detailed the shit out of the hatch today, or at least pretty well. The most it's ever been detailed, I'd say. Vacuumed it out, washed it, detailed the inside a little bit. And it's looking pretty good. We're about to pull up here, so. So cool. And this little thing too. Jesus Christ. Yeah, look at these. We could still do it. I mean, look how small it is, Heath. We could put it on the side of the house if we wanted to.
Oh, it's so awesome. My next thing with the Delica is a full 9. Everything it's over. It's gonna be over there.
I don't know if Chance would fit in there.
Yeah, I got a little.
He'd fit. Yeah.
Chance?
He'd have to slouch down a little. That's what I want too. Maybe that's what we should go on, Dad. A little more practical. We can go camping in this. It's got some good all-terrains on there. This thing probably doesn't go awesome off-road. Strap our bikes to the top. Oh, it's a turbo too.
Turbo diesel?
Yeah, that's awesome. I didn't realize it was turbo diesel. Nice. What do you think, Heath? Do you like those type of vans?
Yeah.
You like it? It's pretty cool. Ooh, yes, one of my favorites. I thought it was an FD at first.
The Mariners are wearing their
I like MK3 Supras too.
the feature jerseys too.
Oh yeah, what they've been talking about?
Yeah, the Mariners playing.
Which one's that? That one's different.
Took the sides off of it.
Yeah, his model's a little different too. I was reading the thing on the back. Yeah. Guess how much? Guess how much it's, they were asking. It's at like, no, it's at like 10 or 12K. It's ridiculous. Really high. Whoa. So cool. Jesus. I'd like to have one of these.
quantum computers. And
Look it up online for a while. Oh, yeah.
I knew I would see someone.
You gotta get the pants, bro.
Those are cool. I saw when you released those. I didn't buy them.
That shit's sick though.
Fuck yeah.
I missed out on that one, but I got the red one.
Oh yeah,
yeah, with
sick.
the beanie.
Oh, you got it too. Fuck
Hell
yeah.
yeah.
Real lace stuff. Hell yeah, man. Good stuff.
I have a pair of the old Sansui amps made by PPI that are sitting in a box. I was like, what am I going to do with these? And there's just no space to put any.
Oh, I know. I'm going to build a whole box like you have on the other side.
Yeah.
On the side. I got those KLWs that I just almost didn't make it. There was, one got wet and guy Ray Rayfield brought it back to the bed.
And
So cool.
I still like my sound clearance.
Yeah, and
spot though. It's like, oh, perhaps there's like an issue there. Okay, I'll just go to the ATV side. It's perfectly between small trees. Yeah. Still being used as a profit, you know?
Oh yeah, I was looking at
I
that.
didn't even know it was there.
Yeah, it's one of the ones I was looking at. Chance likes the cappuccinos a lot. I don't think he'd fit in one.
Yeah, I kind of want to do a GT style waiting on it. Full body kit. You can sit the family up. Yep.
Eat dinner.
And eat dinner on the back.
Yeah.
That was the one I was.
Let me see.
Probably because it's a Japanese version, not an American
I
version.
never seen.
Oh, it definitely looks better.
Yeah. Our versions don't look like that.
You don't get the hood.
Dad, I don't ever see the non-hatch version like this. I never see the non-hatch version like this. I don't know if I've ever seen one in person.
This one's pretty strong.
Yeah.
These are cool. These are rear wheel drive.
Slow as shit.
Or Corolla, isn't it?
Yeah. 8086. It weighs
Yeah.
like 2,000 pounds,
I
1,900
know, they all
pounds.
have the big speakers in there.
These are cool.
The LS.
Oh, yeah. Is that a King?
It's an 8. What that?
What is that? It's a B,
It's an
right?
18.
Yeah.
So all Hondas will say it right here. So K series backwards, you got your exhaust on the
Yeah.
backside.
The intake threw me off a little. Different.
I've never seen that.
Got a K sitting in my garage.
Yeah. And the lady caught us videoing it.
It's like big RC clips. Heath, look. These look like the clips on my RC car, huh? Yeah. It's funny. Oh, here we go, Heath. It's FD. Nice. Very detailed. It's lucky. Look at the Irish. This is cool. Hey Dad, do you like this Infinity?
Yeah.
This is cool. Oh Heath, look at the cup holders and the seats and stuff in here.
That's pretty cool.
Wow, this one's done really well inside. Damn, this thing is luxurious as hell. Wow. Props to this guy. This is nice. The wheels. Those are nice wheels. I would love to drive one of these, save gas, and it's a little two-door. I love this. People can't bum rides off me. If I found a good deal on one, I'd buy one of these for sure. All my cars get terrible gas mileage. So
Don't
bad.
even get good gas.
No, I'm sure.
So when I gave Nick a ride, I driven it to work a couple times and just around a little bit. Shit. I had an 8th of the tank.
This is what Dad's EF kind of looked like.
Not that big.
Yeah, it was a lot nicer. Picture this, but nice. So I was saying, we detailed the hatch before we took off, so it's only right to get a little video of our own car.
That's a lot nicer than the
Yeah, that's what he was saying. Look at the turbo now. Last time you saw this, it didn't have any of that.
like the blue gold.
Yeah, it would have looked better than this.
Yeah, it would have.
Still needs work.
What color did you paint that engine with? This is the new one.
I was saying, we cleaned up the outside, you guys saw that. I think it's some coats in there right now, but this is the cleanest interior's probably ever been.
Factory box?
Boom. So I'll probably do it for the video, guys. We're gonna take off and get some food. There's only one food truck here. Pretty much checked out everything car-wise we wanted to see. Saw some cool things, and glad I got to bring the camera and show you guys what. And saw a couple fellow Hollow Squad fans, like I was hoping I was, so that's cool. Glad the sweatshirt came in time for that. So gonna drive the Civic home now and have some fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, the notification bell. A lot more content coming, guys.